dark pink polos, I hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I actually glued this wig down from westkisshair. So this wig is their 13x6 200 density 22-inch HD lace frontal wig. I love the texture, the shine, the lush fullness. Everything about this hair is just giving, and I can't wait to show you guys how I did my glued install, because I haven't done one of these in a while. But you know, it's HD lace, so I knew this lace was gonna just melt right down into the glue, and I'm definitely gonna go ahead and tie it down after this video so it could set in all the way good. But so far so good. I'm loving this unit, and if you'd like to purchase off rip, it's really affordable. I would definitely recommend for you to do so, and the links, the direct link to this wig, as well as like a whole bunch of other links from westkisshair, will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, as well as my social medias where you'll see me in this gorgeous wig from westkiss. I'll definitely go ahead and tag them. Let me go ahead and stop rambling. Let's jump into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm finally finished. This is the wig from westkisshair. They sent me their HD lace 22-inch 13 by 6 straight 200 density wig. So this is just how full it is. It's not super thick to the point where it's like unbearable. I definitely am gonna get more than a few wears out of this unit, and I actually glued it down. I usually do glueless, but I just wanted something that would last like over the weekend. And you know, it's always best to glue HD lace down, which is why I did it. And this is just what it's looking like. So I don't have any like negative remarks. There is not too much shedding. I mean, there was no tangling to begin with. This hair was really easy and straighten, and everything just worked well with it. The most that I would probably say is that I am getting a bit of flyaways, but that's just easily fixable. All you have to do is just spray some spritz, hairspray, anything, brush it in, hot comb it down, and those flyaways are gone. And that's all. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So definitely go ahead and check westkisshair out, because I love this wig. And without further ado, I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.